Alright, so here we're going to show where the equations of a circle come from. With an equation with a circle centered at the origin, we have this point here, and this is very simple. We take any point on the circle xy, come down perpendicular with the x-axis to form a right triangle, and then we can apply the Pythagorean theorem. If the circle has radius r, and this is a point xy on the circle, this distance is x, and this distance is y. The Pythagorean theorem says x squared plus y squared equals r squared. So that is the equation of a circle centered at the origin. Now we could come up with the x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals the radius squared by just explaining translation. We know that when we take a function and we take wherever there's an x, we make it x minus h. That's going to take the graph, whatever the graph is, it's going to move it to the right h units. Similarly, if there's a y and we plug in y minus k, that's going to move the graph up k units. So that's one way you could explain this, but I'm going to do it this way. So let's say we have some circle centered at hk, and again we have some point on the circle xy. If this is the x coordinate of that point, then this is x. H is the x coordinate of that point, so that's h. That distance is this distance, which is x. Take away h, leaves us with this, so this is x minus h. Similarly, what is this distance? Well, if the y coordinate of that point is y, the y coordinate of that point is k, what is this distance? It's all of this, which is y. Take away k, leaves us with this. So this distance from here to here is y minus k. If this is a circle of radius r, then the distance from the center to the edge is r. And then again, we have the Pythagorean theorem, because this is a right triangle, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared.